Hi everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make a credit card wallet and very easy. This is made by request for the holiday gift. So I have cut in here a long fabric. This is the pocket. Okay, this is for the pocket slot and or credit card slot, whatever you call. And the size of this fabric is 6 inches wide, 24 inches long. And the interface, and I cut it in here. I cut it an inch smaller, so I cut it 5 inches interfacing by 23 inches. Okay, and I use the lightweight interface, and you don't need to use heavy weight because after that we have the flap with it heavy too. Plus, when we fold many times, it's going to add up the thickness for the wallet. So I'm going to mark the size so we can fold for the slot. Okay. Alright, so it's very cold outside. I just drop off the boy and I'm like, I'm gonna do this because I've been cooking and I'm slack of video. So the first one is 3 inches. You can do to the top one too, so everything will connect. Okay, and 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Okay. All right, so let me just do exactly the same on the top here. So we can fold, we can draw the line. That 3, 2.5, 3, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Okay, draw the line, connect the line. And just cut just a bit like this, so when you fold the other side, when you don't see, but you can see the cut here. Okay, you don't have to, but to make it easier, you see how it is when you fold into the other side. When you don't see the mark, it make it easier. And it's for those of you who are new to my channel, coming in and you think that I'm slow, you know where to go. Okay, you don't belong to here because I'm slow. All right, so let me just turn the iron on so we can do the folding. Okay, let's do the folding. Let me just do this, okay, so I can see. The first one I'm folding in here, the cut that I cut. And make sure when you fold, the two sides are meeting together like that, okay? And then you iron this. This is simple and everyone can do. Super easy. Okay, so that, and then the next one. Okay. So then I have this fold, this here. And then right here with another one right here where the cut, this is what I meant to you earlier. Okay, and I'm going up to the back here. This is the other fold in the back here. and this one going down this way. The next one is this one right here. I'm going to iron this, and this one right here, the last one. It's very easy, everyone can do. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to top stitch this fold, and then the next one top stitch on this one, and then the another one top stitch on this one. So everyone, after I top stitch this pocket, this one right here on the top, and then this one, now you're going to sew the two sides together very close, just want to make sure this stay down. So after I sew the two lines in here, I'm gonna put this on the side, and here I have cut the interface, and this is number 809. I think it's very strong. I don't think it's the midway, and the size of this is, and the size of this Y is 5.5 inches by 6 inches long. Okay, and so I'm using the corners that I make. If you want to make it, go to my channel page and check for the video. All you need to do is just go from one corner to this corners and go on here, and if you turn this around and it meets, that's it. Okay, so like that. Very simple ruler that you can make all different size. Watching my video, that ruler, if the other YouTubers seeing that, they're gonna make it and copy and make so much money, but I don't feel like it. A lot of people nowadays that have a hard time buying stuff because, you know, it's hard to make money. So if you see someone doing that and sell, you let me know. Or you tell them, because I don't think that right. Right side of this and the right side of this, I'm going to place them together so I can cut the extra away. Okay, cut exactly the same side of this, okay? Okay, so now in the back here, this is a flap side, and you're going to make sure that you're going to place this round part on here, on the top here. That's the flap facing this flap, okay, and the pocket in this side, okay? I just want to make sure. And then I have the tag right here that I'm going to add in the wallet here too. So either side, whatever side you want, I'm gonna place it in here just like so. Put this down, and I'm going to clip. You clip it down, you pin or whatever. After you done pin around, on the bottom here you're going to sew by follow the interfacing, but on the bottom here you're going to leave about 2 inches open. Okay, so from here sew it all around to here, and stop, leave this open so you can inside out. Everyone, after I sew all around and I left it here open, so you're gonna go and trim around here. You don't need to do much on the side. If you want to, you can lift this up and then you can trim, but there's no need for that. So I'm gonna go and press on this side, and then I'm going to inside out this. I'm not good with the cold. I see the cold weather is coming. I just don't want to be here. And then from here you're gonna flap this down. If you want the flap to be longer, then you can cut into 25 inches, so 1 more inches down, okay? But I think this is cute. It's good enough. And I'll give you the 2 colors on this one. It's so pretty. And then the back. And then the back. The front. How cute is. Okay, you're gonna top stitch this area, and then in the back here you're going to do ladder stitch. You're going to stitch this together. So I'm going to sew that opening space right here with ladder stitch. So I'm gonna go from one side. I'm gonna go from the inside so I can hide the knot. Some people don't know how to sew a ladder stitch, and if you do know, don't mind me. Alright, so I'm gonna go and slide the needle on the fold of the pink. Go very close to it, okay? So that way your stitch is hiding. Okay, and then I'm going to scoop on the other side and then go back to the pink. Scoop this up, go into the pink, and then I'm gonna pull. When you pull, it come close like you sew on a sewing machine, just like so. On the pink, scoop on the pink, and then scoop on the Japanese fabric, and then you know the 2 sides you going to alternate. This side, and then go to the other side. Continue to do so until you go to the other end. So this way you close it. I don't want to sew it, so you doing this. It's just like you're sewing on the sewing machine. You can see how close and how nice it's closed. Alright, so finish this with ladder stitch, everyone. So everyone, after I sew on the bottom here with the opening space, it looks so nice. And now we're going to add the button. Okay, so let me just fold this in half. Press the center. Okay, in the center right here. So from the center down, I'm going to mark on this side. This is the center of that. I will go about half an inch from here. Mark right here about half an inch right there. Okay, and I'm going to add one of the button one side here. Okay, so if this too thick for you, if you want to purchase this kind of button, check in my description box so you can see the link of the button. Okay, I want to support a little bit because a little thick in here, so I'm gonna cut that through. Okay, and then I'll use this color, the pink, go right in there, let it go through this. Okay, and then I'll let one of the side of the button, place it in there, and here's the thing that you can squeeze and make sure it's staying down for you. You squeeze it really good so that pointy, it come all the way down. Okay, all the way down to that holes. And now when you have this side, you're going to make sure everything stay good. Then you press this down. When you press it, you can see the mark right there. That is where you have another button. Check in my description box for the the white marker here. That's good to go with the darker fabric. Here I'm gonna go from the inside, but I'm gonna poke the holes. That's just to support me when I add another side of the button. Okay, so I'm gonna go from the inside here where I just poke the holes. Just want to make sure, and now add another side of the button, and you go into sweep again, just like you just did to the other side. This is very good gift for the holiday if you want to change the fabric. Some people don't want to use the Christmas fabric wallet forever, so you may have to use something different than the Christmas fabric, you know. Okay, now it's in, then you go on to see it snap right in, and that your wallet is done. If you haven't made this one, make it, because it's so pretty. It's easy to make too. This one I make it last time, I don't know when, but just last time. Okay, and then there's so many craft wallet that I make. This one is awesome too. It have the zipper on the side. This is for change. You know, try to make something useful. Okay, let me just take this out and then I'll put it in so you can see. Check in my description box for the material. Okay, so let's see that we're gonna put the card in here. You put cash in. If you have cash, you can put the cash in here and change it. If you want to have change to put in there, you can too. Put it down. Go all the way down so it won't fall out, okay? So like that, and then you add some more. And then on the second pocket, you can add more. The third pocket, not second. The first one you put cash, and that's it. That's how many pocket in here. You can put more if you want to, okay? I don't know how many credit card, how many card you have, but you can put many if you want to, okay? I just use this card to show you how to put it on, okay? And then when you're done, just snap it, close, and that is that, everyone. So very simple. Everyone watching my video be able to make 1, 2, or 3. Check in my description box for the tags too. Okay, very cute. So the size of this wallet is 5.5 inches wide, and the height is 4 inches. If you want to add the wristlets, make sure you place it on top. Here, add it right here on top of the pocket, okay? Before you sew those two pieces together. And that is that. Very easy. And it's so cute. I love Japanese fabric. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who support my channel membership and who donate to my channel and always come and watch my video to the end. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.